Mm.
So now, I have here two pictures. All you need to do is observe the picture. And later on, I have an question. Okay. Are you done to observe this picture? Yes. Okay. What did you see the picture? Okay. The messy clothes and the organized clothes. Very good. What do you with your clothes after washing? Okay. Why is it important to keep clothes neat? Okay, to clean and to proper the clothes. Very good. So in your own opinion, what's our new lesson for today? Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about folding clothes. Okay, that's right. Our lesson for today is all about the folding clothes. And before that, this is our objective. Okay. Please read everyone. Okay, thank you. So now, before we proceed to our proper discussion, I have here a game. This game is called racing game. Please read the direction. Okay, thank you. And this is the... Okay, thank you. So class, what did you learn from the activity? Okay, you learned to fold clothes. Now let's discuss about our topic for the folding clothes. Who among you here class already know to fold? Yes? Okay, Nicole, you learned folding clothes. Who at your home, who are folding clothes? Okay, your mom. Very good. And first, I teach you to step by step folding clothes. The first one is shirt. Step one is lay it flat, and then fold it one side like this. And the third step is fold the other side. And the fourth step is fold up the bottom from here to here. And the fifth step is fold in half. And the sixth step is this one. And the second is folding pants. The first step on folding pants is lay it flat. And the second step is folding in half. the third step is folding the coach in. And the fourth step is fold the bottom up like this. And the fifth step is fold in half again. And the final look is like this. In the last item is folding towel. The first step of folding towel is lay it flat, folding in half, and fold in half again, and fold into thirds like this. Fold in other side. And the sixth is like this. So now, class who want to hold in front there? Yes, Rose. Okay, very good, Rose. So I have a question for all you. Why is it important to fold our clothes? Can anyone answer this question? Yes, to maximize storage space, minimizing wrinkles, and keeping garment or organized for easy access. It's important to fold our clothes to keep clothes compact, making it easier to fit more items into drawer or shelves. Are we clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If none, let's proceed our activity. Please read the direction. Okay, very good. What did you learn today?
About folding clothes.
Okay, very good, excellent. Why should we fold clothes? Okay, to keep things clean, organized, and easy to find. So now let's proceed to our quiz. Are you done, class? Very good. Before we leave, I have here assignment. Please read everyone. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Ta